Neuroscience, by definition, the geek definition is the study of nervous system, but I like to call it is the study of our brain, our spinal cord, and our nerves. It's what makes us human, it's what makes an animal, that particular animal. It's how we function and how we survive. That is the study of neuroscience. The program, the way it's designed, it's really well structured and interdisciplinary. It gives you a well-around conceptual development as well as a hands-on experience for anyone who wants to understand and wants to develop a career in neuroscience.
I never really thought that I would get to be in a lab as a sophomore, but I was welcomed in immediately, and then I was taught what to do and how to do it, and then I could grow from there.
Students starting from their lectures to having hands-on experience with patients to computers for data analysis. They get trained from scratch, from start to end.
Since we are growing, I think this allows us to give a personalized attention to each of them to fully focus on their success.
I definitely do appreciate the one-on-one research time I get with Dr. Hernandez. And it's important because you're getting one-on-one with someone who is very specialized in their field.
Neuroscience offers this interdisciplinary knowledge of both computational neuroscience, the behavioral part, and the combination of computer science, neuroscience to apply for physical therapy or rehabilitation, kinesiology.
When you study something that's very expansive at the start, you kind of have a good foundation as to what everything else will be like, because it all will tie in together to what you know.
Most of the times the questions that need to be asked require this collaboration between different fields. So coming from another field, I think it gives them a different perspective and potentially they can answer research questions that probably we are not looking at it because we are just focused on our field.
I try to train students so that they can complete a project and they can have that confidence that yes, I was able to complete this project, I did get the numbers, and we are able to discover something new that has a real societal impact. That confidence itself is going to guide them to great success.
Building confidence is definitely what I'm going to take away from this, because if I were a graduate student entering a lab for the first time, I would have more, knowledge on a textbook basis, but I would not be as confident with handling data or knowing the protocols that a lab may require.
Just thinking about their future, this course really offers good pathways for industry, academia, and government.
It's really I just want to help out people. That's what I really want to do, just help out people, and the biggest way for me, I think, is going into the medical field.
I would like to give people maybe a little bit more than just like medication and relief. I would like to give them understanding.
The possibilities are limitless. We have the toys that we need. We just need to see what we can do with it. And I'm sure we are going to do great things.